So don't like to make my intros too long, just want to get straight to the point to give you guys as much value as I possibly can. But as you can see right now, these were the 4 positions that I just recently took. Ended up closing 3 of them down here at the lows right here, and ended up closing my last one basically at break even. But you guys are going to be able to see the entirety of this breakdown from start to finish, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, so I'm going to be looking for some shorts right here on SPX. Price is clearly trading bearish right now. Price is trading below this resistance range. So for me, as long as price can maintain below this resistance, then for me, sells are valid. And for me, what I see is what I call it my bread and butter play, where price gets up into a resistance range. Price rejects this range, and it is 5:06 in the morning. Price rejects the resistance range, comes down to the support. Rejects the resistance range, comes down to the support. And it doesn't come all the way back up into this range again, creates a little lower high, and I've seen more times than not price will just drop, probably not tank, but continue to drop. So stacking confluences as well, what I can do is add a Fibonacci A, B, C. Price is at the 50% Fibonacci, TP, looking to target down into the lows. First TP is going to be, well, first TP has to be this low right here for a quick one-on-one scalp. If price does break lower down into the main lows, then down into the 52, basically between the 52.2s and the 52.20s, basically within this range. So this is the type of move that I'm looking at. Nothing too crazy. I'm not looking for this to play out right this second. It's only Monday. It's 5 in the morning. Market hasn't even opened yet, so I'm definitely just chilling right now. The price is actually getting to that low. There we go. That was actually a beautiful gap. Price is actually here at the support. I may close a position now, honestly, because I want to secure my profits, especially starting off the day. Starting up the week, I definitely want to make sure I do secure some profits. Price may come back up and fill this gap that was forward, and if that's the case, as long as price, this is how I'm going to manage this position, as long as price can successfully maintain below here, what I can do now is move my stops above this resistance range and look to see if price does pull back up into here, give me a rejection. If that's the case, then I can look to scale in again and have my stops essentially basically at break even. So now at this point in time, I am going to move my stops to break even. So price at the first TP, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and secure 2 positions, not trying to guess that price is gonna continue to break lower. This is why I love the trade management strategy, because it makes managing the trade so much easier. One, I don't focus on the profit. I focus on the positions that I have. If I have 4 positions open, I don't care what those positions are up. I'm closing 2 positions. It doesn't matter what the profit is. It's about the actual strategy itself. And now I have 2 positions secured. I'm good. I'm relaxed. I'm, calm. And then on top of that, these 2 last positions is risk-free now, so this is not going to be a loss, and I already secured profit, and now I have the potential of these next 2 positions riding into my full TP, as opposed to me closing all the positions and price does continue to drop and I'm missing out on extra potential profit, or I hold all the positions trying to get that extra potential profit and price comes all the way back up to break even. So it's a win-win, and I can't do nothing but give God thanks. All right, just close 1 more position with price rejecting this area. I'm gonna let this last position run, looking for price to potentially give me a lower high, retest rejection, potentially anywhere. Now price can give me any type of lower high, and I can look to scale in, maybe add 2 more positions with my stops at the break even, use the same lot size, and look to just flow down to that potential TP. But right now we chilling. Gonna go ahead and close that break even here.